8 healthy chicken and tuna wrap recipes for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Looking for some tasty and healthy meal options to help you shed those extra pounds? We've put together a selection of 8 delicious chicken and tuna wrap recipes that are perfect for your weight loss journey. Wraps are super convenient and versatile, giving you a satisfying meal that's packed with lean proteins, fresh veggies, and incredible flavors. You can easily customize them to suit your dietary needs and preferences, making your weight loss journey all the more enjoyable. So get ready to dive into a culinary adventure with our 8 healthy chicken and tuna wrap recipes. They'll not only help you lose weight, but they'll also bring a burst of excitement and flavor to your meals. Number 1. Tuna and Veggie, 290 calories. Tuna and veggie wraps are a nutritious and flavorful option for those looking to lose weight, packed with protein from both chicken and tuna. These wraps provide a satisfying and filling meal that can help support your weight loss goals. The combination of lean protein and vegetables offers a good balance of nutrients while keeping the calorie count low. Wrapping them in a whole wheat or low-carb tortilla adds fiber and helps maintain a feeling of fullness. This recipe is not only easy to make, but also versatile, allowing you to customize the veggies and seasonings to your liking. To prepare this delicious meal, you'll need this following ingredient: 1 can of tuna, drained, 1 cooked chicken breast, shredded, assorted vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and onions, whole wheat or low-carb tortillas. Optional toppings: low-fat Greek yogurt, mustard, or a drizzle of olive oil. And here are the instructions for making a tuna and veggie. Number 2. Egg chicken recipe, 380 calories. Egg chicken wraps are a delicious and nutritious options for those seeking a healthy and flavorful meal while trying to lose weight. This recipe combines the protein-packed goodness of eggs and chicken to provide a satisfying and filling wrap. With a moderate calorie count and high protein content, these wraps can help support weight loss goals and keep you energized throughout the day. The specific ingredients you'll need for the egg chicken wraps are as follows: cooked chicken breast, sliced or shredded, eggs, assorted vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, whole wheat or low-carb tortillas. Optional toppings: low-fat Greek yogurt, mustard, or a drizzle of olive oil. Here's a simple process to make the egg chicken wraps. Number 3. Delicious tuna and egg salad, 320 calories. Tuna and egg salad is a flavorful and nutritious option for a healthy and satisfying meal, especially for those aiming to lose weight. This recipe combines the protein-rich goodness of tuna and eggs, providing a filling and delicious salad that can support your weight loss goals. Tuna is packed with lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids, while eggs offer high-quality protein and essential nutrients. The specific ingredients you'll need for the tuna and egg salad are as follows: canned tuna drained, hard-boiled eggs chopped, assorted vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, Greek yogurt or light mayonnaise, vegan mustard, salt and pepper, and other seasonings to taste. Here's a simple process to make the tuna and egg salad. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Barbecued chicken, 390 calories. Barbecued chicken is a delicious and satisfying option for a healthy and flavorful meal, especially for individuals focusing on weight loss. This recipe combines the lean protein of chicken with the smoky and tangy flavors of barbecue sauce, creating a mouth-watering dish that can support your weight loss goals. Chicken is a great source of high-quality protein, while barbecue sauce adds a burst of flavor without adding excessive calories. The specific ingredients you'll need for the barbecue chicken are as follows: boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, barbecue sauce, salt, pepper, and other seasonings to taste. Here is a simple process to make barbecue chicken. Number 5. Peanut chicken, 470 calories. Peanut chicken is a flavorful and satisfying dish that can be enjoyed as part of a healthy meal plan, including weight loss diets. This recipe combines tender chicken with a rich and creamy peanut sauce, creating a mouth-watering flavor combination. Chicken is a lean source of protein, while peanuts offer healthy fats and a delicious nutty taste. The specific ingredients you'll need for the peanut chicken are as follows: boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, peanut butter, soy sauce, garlic minced, ginger grated, lime juice, optional toppings, chopped peanuts, green onions, cilantro. Here's a simple process to make peanut chicken. Number 6. Easy chicken wrap, 370 calories. An easy chicken wrap is a convenient and nutritious option for a satisfying meal, particularly for those aiming to lose weight. This recipe combines lean chicken, fresh vegetables, and a flavorful sauce or dressing, creating delicious and low-calorie wrap. Chicken provides a good source of protein, while veggies add essential nutrients and fiber. The specific ingredients you'll need for the easy chicken wrap are as follows: cooked chicken breast, sliced or shredded, whole wheat or low-carb tortillas, assorted vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, optional toppings, avocado, low-fat cheese, Greek yogurt, or a light dressing. Here's a simple process to make the easy chicken wrap. Number 7. Spicy and sweet wrap, 450 calories. A spicy and sweet wrap is a delicious and satisfying option for a healthy, flavorful meal, especially for individuals focused on weight loss. This recipe combines the bold flavors of spices with a touch of sweetness, creating a mouth-watering wrap that can support your weight loss goals. The wrap includes lean chicken, fresh vegetables, and a combination of spicy and sweet ingredients to tantalize your taste buds. The specific ingredients you'll need for the spicy and sweet wrap are as follows: cooked chicken breast, sliced or shredded, whole wheat or low-carb tortillas, assorted vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, and bell peppers, spicy sauce or seasoning such as hot sauce, sriracha, or chili powder, sweet elements, optional toppings, avocado, Greek yogurt, or a light dressing. Here's a simple process to make the chicken and sweet wrap. Number 8. Chicken thigh wrap, 380 calories. A chicken thigh wrap is a flavorful and satisfying option for a healthy and balanced meal, especially for individuals aiming for weight loss. This recipe incorporates juicy and tender chicken thighs, along with fresh vegetables and a variety of flavorful ingredients, all wrapped in a tortilla. Chicken thighs offer rich flavors and provide a good source of protein. The specific ingredients you'll need for the chicken thigh wrap are as follows: boneless chicken thighs, whole wheat or low-carb tortillas, assorted vegetables, flavorful seasoning or marinade, optional toppings, avocado, Greek yogurt, or a light dressing. Here's a simple process to make the chicken thigh wrap. And that concludes our list of the 8 healthy chicken and tuna wrap recipes for losing weight. Do you happen to know any chicken and tuna wrap recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!